How to change the default PDF viewer in the iPhone. Now, you can't actually change the default PDF viewer, so whenever you open up a PDF, so say we open this here, it'll always open in the default PDF viewer, which is built in to your iPhone. Now what you can do is you could download, say, Acrobat Reader here, then come back to your PDF, and here what you want to do is press this square here with the upward arrow on the bottom left hand corner, and in here you should have the option to open it with the Acrobat Reader. And that's the only way to open up PDFs and change the default viewer. You can't change it permanently, you can just open it up in one of those external PDF viewers. So hopefully that helps you out, and that's a solution. Even though you can't permanently change it, you can change it to view it in singular items. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.